Did you know Jamaica's Nickisha Pryce is on the verge of making history in the 400 meters? From shattering collegiate records to becoming the first woman in NCAA history to break the sub-49 barrier, Pryce has redefined what it means to dominate on the track. But her journey is far from over. As she transitions into her professional career with Puma, all eyes are on whether she can break Stephenie and McPherson's Jamaican indoor 400-meter record of 50.79 seconds. With rising stars like Brianna White and Joanne Reid also in the mix, the competition is heating up. Will 2025 be the year Pryce breaks Stephenie and McPherson's 400-meter indoor national record, ultimately cementing her legacy as one of the greatest Caribbean sprinters ever? Join us as we dive into her incredible journey, analyze her record-breaking potential, and discuss the future of Jamaican women in the 400 meters. Let's get started. Sandy Richards, Christine Amertil, Shawnee Miller-Weibo, and Stephenie Ann McPherson are some of the best Caribbean sprinters who have succeeded at the indoor 400 meters. Most track and field fans don't necessarily like the indoor season because of the narrowness of the lanes, which increases the likelihood of athletes being injured. However, the indoor season allows track and field athletes to fine-tune aspects of their events in preparation for the extensive outdoor season. Within the last few seasons, Caribbean athletes have done well during the indoor season, especially those who compete in the National Collegiate Athletic Association NCAA system. One such athlete is Jamaica's Nickisha Pryce. The world began to see more of her during the 2023 outdoor season when she placed third in the 400 meters at the NCAA Championship and anchored the University of Arkansas 4x400 meters team to victory. This was quite an astounding performance because she jumped from a personal best of 53.35 seconds to 50.21 seconds at the end of the 2023 season, ultimately winning her first Jamaican national title. However, this was just the beginning of something new. She improved significantly during the 2024 indoor season, where she became the first Jamaican woman to run sub-51 twice in the 400 meters, with her best time being 50.83 seconds to place second at the Southeastern Conference Championship. Nickisha Pryce went on to have a successful outdoor season. She ran the then equal second fastest 400-meter time by a Jamaican woman, 49.32 seconds, to win the Southeastern Conference Championship. She then dominated the NCAA Championship, running a collegiate record of 48.89 seconds to win the 400 meters. With this, she became the first woman in NCAA history to run below the 49-second barrier. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more track and field insights. Thank you. After ending her NCAA career, Nickisha Pryce signed with Puma as a professional athlete. This was the beginning of another new chapter in her career. She ran a Diamond League record and a Jamaican national record of 48.57 seconds to win at the London Athletics meet.
Nickisha Pryce, the NCAA champion, the world #2, leads coming into the straight. Has Lika Claver got the strength to go with her? But Nickisha Pryce will not be caught. She's finishing so strongly. Brilliant running from her through the second half as well.
However, things did not go as planned for her at the Paris Olympics. She developed a respiratory illness during the semi-final of the 400 meters, which caused her to end her season. But it's important to note that Nickisha Pryce is known to be a fighter and will want to break more records. One record that should be in her sights is the Jamaican 400-meter indoor record of 50.79 seconds that Stephenie Ann McPherson did at the 2022 Belgrade World Indoor Championship.
Shawnee Miller-Weibo tying up, but it doesn't matter. It's gold for the Olympic champion, silver for Femke Bol, and Stephenie Ann McPherson coming through for a national indoor record, the veteran at 33 completing the podium.
By being a professional athlete, the 2025 Grand Slam track signee will have fewer competitions when compared to her time as a collegiate athlete. With her being more accustomed to running indoors, it's safe to say that she is slowly learning how to master the 400 meters. But some questions remain. Will 2025 be the season Nickisha Pryce breaks Stephenie Ann McPherson's indoor 400-meter record? Or will her countrywomen such as Brianna White or Joanne Reid break that record first while competing on the collegiate circuit? The Jamaican 400-meter women are slowly rebuilding, and records will likely be broken this season. How fast do you think Nickisha Pryce will run over the 400 meters this indoor season? Are our predictions about her correct? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinion. Check out this video on the top 10 NCAA Caribbean athletes during the 2025 track and field season. Nickisha Pryce's journey from collegiate star to professional powerhouse is a testament to hard work, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of greatness. As she eyes Stephenie and McPherson's indoor record and continues to inspire a new generation of Jamaican sprinters, the future of Caribbean track and field has never looked brighter. Will 2025 be her year to make history? Only time will tell. If you enjoyed this video, please share it, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.